In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Divxmain.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. First is we have to check the system type of our Windows. So go to the Windows search bar and type system information. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and then open a browser. In the browser search bar, search for Visual C++ Redistributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download link corresponding to your system type. That will be downloaded from here. Simply double click. Check the box I agree to the license terms and conditions and click on install. Simply install the latest Visual C++ to your Windows 11. Next method, go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click the option Run as Administrator in the right pane. Type SFC space / scan now. Scan now, just one word, no space in between, and hit enter. The system scan will begin, to simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once it is 100% completed, just type exit in the command prompt window. Next method, try to consider updating your Windows. Click on the Start button and go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and click the button right here. Because downloading and installing or checking for updates that comes with the necessary files that your machine needs and can help you fix the issue. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.